Dreame X50 Robot Vacuum. $600 off in Amazon Spring Sale, the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum is currently available for $899.99 during Amazon's Spring Sale. A significant $600 discount from its usual price of $1,499.99. This represents a 40% reduction and marks a record low for the device, according to price tracking data. Key features and capabilities: the X50 Ultra is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop designed for comprehensive floor cleaning. It uses VersaLift navigation, an AI-powered system with LED vision to identify obstacles, differentiate between solid debris and liquids, and adjust cleaning accordingly. The vacuum can climb over obstacles up to 2.6 inches high, including rugs and door thresholds. It cleans effectively under furniture and in corners. The docking station automatically empties the dustbin and self-cleans the mop heads. Why this matters: high-end robot vacuums offer a premium cleaning experience, but their price has historically been a barrier for many consumers. This sale makes advanced features like AI-powered navigation and self-maintenance more accessible. The trend towards smart home automation continues to gain momentum, with robot vacuums playing an increasingly prominent role in simplifying household chores. Limited time offer the discounted price of $899.99 is available for a limited time as part of the Amazon Big Spring Sale. This is an opportunity to acquire a high-performance robot vacuum at a substantial savings. In short, this deal lowers the barrier to entry for a premium cleaning solution, making it an attractive option for those seeking automated home maintenance.